You want like this? Noodles?
No.
This one. Vegetables. And here, 250 grams. $18. And then the rest we buy bread. We buy bread. Come. You want to die? Let's go party. It's a Friday walking. Hello. That is friend of Esther. What is the time now? 2 o'clock. Oh, I see. Oh, there's a lot. You see? This is nice. How we catch this? Look, very yeah, hot. Beautiful flowers. Come. Let's go fly to the world of your man. Mister, go. You are my queen today.
Yes, of course. We are walking now. And we are enjoying the sun.
Yes. You know, I think it's nice for your hair if you keep standing. Put gel on it.
Put the, it's
Yeah.
really small.
Yeah, that is nice.
I will put rasta.
Let's see how many minutes we walk from here
I want
to
see the swimming pool.
from here to
You will record until we reach there?
yeah.
Oh,
I will see how many minutes. Ah, but woof, too much hot. I was thinking no hot. I thinking it's not hot because when we are inside the house, the sun is hiding. Hello. You see, from there to here, 2 minutes only. Esther, from our house, 2 minutes only. Like near to our house, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Near to our house, 3
very sunny
minutes.
than the other time. Or because we go after at
Ah, before we
3.
go, we go 4.
That's one.
Now it's 2. Before Esther, I'm eating here. Before I'm eating this side. When it's winter, I'm eating here. I'm alone. It's a sunny day because it's nice to sit here like air fresh. Smile.
Fine.
Oh, maybe we can find sticks here. No, we can. There's no sticks. Ah, look, it's gone. Look, the birds eating it. The birds eating. Hello. It's hot. We're getting black.
Let us get.
This side. We are almost reached the Lulu. Oh, very good. The house is high. The
The
sun
sun is,
is hiding.
yeah.
You see, there's a bus also coming here. Wow, nice the air. Quick, quick. There's a... So we walk only like 10, 15 minutes, 17 minutes from here to the house. There's a gasoline station. I told Madam, oh, we are busy inside. Is there cleaning the room and me and Mick doing ironing. What?
Oh. I thought we are staying.
And then after she gave, okay, I will give you money to buy your food.
Wow.
Lulu is waving. We are hungry. We are near Chololo. Sanay. What is that?
I want you to take me with you. I start.
Ah. You go. This is your place. You are the owner.
What?
You are the owner of Lulu.
I'm busy.
The weather it's good.
Come with us. We are going to lunch.
Esther very happy.
Yeah.
Wow, what is that? Nice.
Take the video now because when we are going back, you take the picture. Oh, the weather is good.
You want like this? Noodles?
No.
This one. Vegetables. And here, 250 grams. chicken. And then the rest we buy bread. We buy bread. Filipino food. Pancit. 500 grams.
Chicken asado. What? Like the one you cook.
Yeah. This. But they put only carrots. What is this? Chicken rolls.
This one is good. Have you ever
Yeah.
eaten?
Chop suey.
No, I've never eaten, so I don't want to say something I don't know.
This is like Chinese food. Take this one. Put it here. Nah, this, the chicken. Nah. Put it here. There is one more. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Wow, expensive now. 8. Before this is 6 only.
Now it's
Pan de coco.
6.5.
8, ah?
Oh, no, I'm looking this one.
Why they are expensive? This is 4. Pan de coco. 4. This is 8. Goodness, we take this.
Reebok. They sell cheap. Probably
How
because
much?
they
Wow.
bake here.
Yeah, it's only 3.
Oh,
Wow.
there we buy 5. but
6.
not Lulu.
Yeah. This is cookies. Then you can buy also some tart. Yeah. Yummy. I was looking the food. I don't know why. Chicken croissant. Tikka tikka. Nice. The street going.
This one and this one.
Which one is like? This is chicken.
And this one.
This is sausage. But this is looking big than this. Which one you like?
Me now, anything you say. Because
Can I have 2 here?
I've never.
This. Chicken sausage. Chicken sausage this. Can make it hot little bit. Say hi, cheese. We're going back. Going back home. Tapos na kaming namili. We have a lot. We buy whole chicken for lunch and chop suey. And we buy egg, we buy ampalaya, we buy chicken liver for our food. This is our food. We will cook tomorrow.
Too much.
We will gonna cook tomorrow. Tomorrow we have barbecue. We are having barbecue. So, maybe we eat some little food, but it's dinner time. Here the swimming pool. We're gonna go to swimming pool. Nobody. Nobody. See? Come, Esther. No. Only this.
Wow, it's really beautiful.
Yeah, nice. Oh. Okay, let's go. Let's go somewhere. Hello. Sister, she wants to swim.
Yeah.
Hi. Sabine. We go from this side because it's not hot.
I'm not breaking it. Why are not people swimming and the way it's good weather?
Oh, there is like this here, but it's not coming fruits down. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. We are near to the house. Quack, 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 quack. What is the time, Esther? Esther, she's busy. What is the time? Oh, almost 1 hour. We are go and back. We go this side. We going here again. I see again. I see again the Kamachili. The Kamachili. Let's go somewhere. Listen ahead. Closer to our house. We are closer. We are closer. I know you're tired. Esther, I know you're tired. Sabi nila balang araw darating ang iyong tanging hinihiling. We are closer. At nang dumating. We are here in the house. Oh, our house is still beautiful. Is there stand there? Stand there, I will make you picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We go here.